What's up, gang? We're gonna go through a leg day. We are in prep, and it's a quad focused day today too, so let's get into it. Exercise would be some kettlebell sumo squats. There's no kettlebells here, so we're just gonna use a heavy dumbbell. So we've got feet nice and wide. We're gonna drop the weight straight down to the ground, sit back in the heels, come up, squeeze, think about pushing and engaging the quads. We're gonna go for 20. These help you to take some pressure off of your hands so you can lift a little bit heavier. So anytime I'm holding like a really heavy dumbbell or I need to grip a barbell and I want to go heavier, you can use these. So you just kind of wrap it underneath the weight. I also like it because the way that I wrap it and where I grip it, the palm of my hand ends up going on the material, and I feel like this saves my hands a little bit more from like calluses without needing to wear gloves. I don't really like the gloves. I don't think they look that cute, but that's just personal opinion. All right, same side that's holding the weight is the same foot that's gonna go back for Bulgarians. Now we're gonna go quad focused here. So I'm thinking about when I'm gonna come down with that back knee, I'm actually going to shoot my front knee forward, send my hips back, drive through that front foot, come up. Think about really flexing the quad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Leg extension machine, so mysterious. You have no idea what weight you're lifting. So let's just pick one and see how it goes. I feel like usually I'm like right around here. I don't know, let's go with this one and see what that is. Got to put it on the short setting. So we're gonna pull it all the way up. Buckle up, thank you. This is so far back. So mystery number 1, not the one. Let's try that. Better. 2, I'm so far back, I need a foam roller behind my back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You know it's a lot when you have knee sweat. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, we're gonna drop just for the last 5. I like to have the equipment that guys use because I want like the good gym equipment, but I want the amenities like a girl. Like I want a lavender towel and air conditioning and tampons and blow dryers in the bathroom, but make sure there's like a hack squat machine, you know, and a hip thrust machine. So give me the good equipment, but make it feel like girly. That's how you can tell when a girl is the manager of places. Yeah. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, holy f***, 16, 17, 18, 19. Do I not want to walk tomorrow? 20, yeah, why would I need to do that? 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Oh my God, 20. That was it. I couldn't even get it up all the way. Okay, we're gonna do front foot elevated lunges. Lord help me. Undecided on what these weights are. They feel like probably 10 or I don't know, are they 7.5? Who the hell has a weight that's 7.5? Anyways, they don't have any other platforms here, but this platform is enough. And then I just put a plate down on top of it. So we're gonna extend that back foot back behind us, dumbbells on both sides, shoulders down away from the ears. So now because we're focusing on quad, I'm actually going to lunge forward And then when I press, I'm pushing myself back to get that full extension in the quad. That was 1, 2, 3, we're going for 20 on each side. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, posing practice. We're gonna go through the flow. So you start with front pose, so you gotta take a breath. Hold everything in, nice and tall, shoulders back. Front pose. Transition. This is when we'll walk to the front. Front pose again. Transition, walk to one side of the stage, hip front pose, transition opposite way, side pose, transition, walk to the other side of the stage, front pose, transition, side pose, back to the center. Full routine, transition, hit the side, to the back, and then walk it back, back to the front, transition, sign off, wait, ta-da! Okay, leg day done, and 50 minutes of cardio. We're making post-workout shake. I have this at the end of every workout. It is honestly the thing that I look forward to because of the taste, but because of also what's in it, I've been able to get amazing results. So I do 2 scoops of the Rebuild Strength chocolate. Chocolate is my fave. It's got 24 grams of whey and casein protein, so it has a fast absorbing and then a slower absorbing. It's got your BCAAs in it and your L-glutamine, so everything for muscle growth, repair, recovery. That's what you need, baby. That's what you need. 2 scoops of that. I've been using that ish for 11 years. Isn't that crazy? Been using it all prep. 2 scoops, ice cold water, and that's it. Thanks for coming along for our leg day. We did it. Now, enjoy some meal prep because again, this was only the 20%, 80% is everything you're gonna do in the kitchen and what you're gonna put in your mouth for the next 22 hours. Peace.